Hi, I'm Ragnar. Today, I'll show you how to make money with AI, fast and easy.
First, content creation. AI can write blogs, scripts, or social media posts in minutes. Turn your scripts into videos using AI tools like Pictory. No editing skills needed. You can sell content online on Fiverr, Upwork, or Medium and get paid globally. Next, AI design. Create logos, graphics, or merchandise designs quickly. Sell your designs on Etsy, Redbubble, or Teespring for extra income. AI can manage social media too. Schedule posts, captions, and graphics in seconds. Offer social media management services online or to local businesses. Sell automation tools on Gumroad or directly to clients. AI video and voiceover let you create explainer videos or presentations quickly. No need to record yourself. AI voices handle narration for you. You can start AI-powered YouTube channels for passive income from ads. Automate titles, captions, and uploads for consistent growth. Combine these skills, content, design, social media, coding, and video for maximum earnings. Start with one skill you enjoy, then expand to others as you grow. Pick one AI skill, choose your platform, and start delivering services now. Subscribe for more AI tips. Start creating, selling, and earning today.